Is your Infiniti QX50 dropping your Apple CarPlay connection or failing to launch entirely? Data shows that nearly half of all CarPlay connection failures are simply due to a faulty or non-certified Lightning cable. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to get your system running smoothly again. Start by ruling out the basics like checking your cable, cleaning the port, and ensuring your phone software is up to date. If the hardware is fine, dive into the Infiniti settings to remove and repair your device fresh. Sometimes the phone itself blocks the connection. Check your privacy and Siri settings to ensure CarPlay has full access. Most issues are solvable at home, but if the port is physically loose or the unit is dead, you will need a pro. As you can see, costs escalate quickly if you require a dealer-level firmware update or a complete hardware swap. For persistent issues, check your fuse box and use an OBD-I scanner to see if the car reports any communication errors. Keep these items in your glove box to troubleshoot connectivity issues on the road whenever they arise. Remember that modern cars are essentially computers. Sometimes a simple system restart is all you really need. Thanks for watching, and leave a comment below if you found a specific fix for your QX50.